Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Shoot. I am Victor Tong and today we are excited to share with you guys what is new with the new. Before we talk about the specs, let's look at the overall body design and handling. The S5MKII is built mid-size similar to the S5, but bear in mind that this is not an S5 replacement model. It is a whole new model by itself. Now, the most noticeable difference will be the additional built-in fan on top of the viewfinder. This will definitely allow better video endurance. The most significant upgrade is the AF joystick, which is now an 8-way AF joystick. Another change that I personally favor is the full-size HDMI port. The second SD card slot has also been upgraded to UHS 2, allowing faster SD card to be used in both slots. Now, to the battery, it is still using the BLK22, which is good news to us. Moving straight to the specs, let's talk about the L-Square technology processor. This is the first product of the new alliance between Leica and Lumix. And with the faster processor, it definitely helps when it comes to the E-shutter rapid burst mode shooting at 30 frames per second. Now, what excites us, and probably every single Lumix fan out there, is the upgraded autofocus. This new autofocus system utilizes phase hybrid autofocus combined with Lumix's own autofocus technology. We have tested it and was amazed by how the autofocus keeps track on our subject even in low light, crowded and some backlit condition. The amazing thing here is, even when our subject moves past a group of people, the autofocus seems to recognize her and continue tracking. Lumix has also introduced the Active IS in the S5MKII, which is an upgrade to its image stabilization system, promising a performance twice as effective. Again, we tried and was impressed by the gimbal-like movement even when we are walking on uneven grounds. Another great news to content creators out there is the ability to shoot full sensor height 3:2 open gate video. This will allow flexibility when it comes to various crop aspect ratios or panning around the frame in pose. Apart from this, the S5MKII also allows full-width 4K taken from 6K capture. This can be recorded in 30p and up to 10-bit 422 encoding. From the previous in-camera LUT preview, now users of the S5MKII can use the real-time LUT that will allow them to shoot vlog as the base and apply the LUT directly to the footage. You can import up to 10 LUTs to keep your creative options open. This new feature will allow you to achieve what you want straight out from the camera. With the S5MKII announced and released, Lumix has also announced a new lens, which is the Lumix S14-28mm f4 to 5.6 macro, and also the S5MKII-X, which we will be discussing again when we get our hands on it. So wait out for the next video and thanks for watching. Bye bye.